Hello everyone. When teaching online, it can feel very different from teaching face to face in a physical classroom, partly because you're not in the same room and you can't establish rapport with the students. Now I'm going to show you one way in which you can establish rapport with the students and for them to get to know each other on the first day. Now for this, you're going to need a digital tool which is free to use, and that tool is called Google Docs. So I'm going to start, because since you don't know each other, we should start with an activity where you can get to know me, I guess, and I can get to know you. So I'm going to start a Google Doc, okay? So we're going to use a bit of technology today. Give me 1 minute. Okay. What can you see on my screen now?
Five sentences.
I've written some sentences about myself. I want you to guess whether they are true or false. I'll give you 2 minutes to think. Who would like to answer first? Who would like to guess first? You can choose any number that you want.
Number one for me is false.
You think it's false? How many years do you think I've lived in Bangkok?
Maybe it's around 10 years.
Okay. Kanchana, what do you think?
15
True or
years.
false? What about, you think it's true? One of you is correct. And that would be Kanchana. So Kanchana, you get 1 point. Let's look at number two.
It's false.
Both of you think false. You're absolutely correct. How did you know?
Because you was born in England.
Well done. Let's look at number three.
What does it mean, cockroaches?
Can you open the dictionary? Yeah.
In my computer?
Yeah, or your phone, whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever you find easier.
I will choose my phone.
Okay, while he's checking, Kanjan, I want you to look at number 4 and 5.
Roaches.
For number 4, this two.
Number 4, you think it's true. Which
country? Okay, I know.
Okay, so you can guess for number 3 now, Murad.
I think no, it's false.
And Kanjana, you think?
False.
It's actually true. I'm really afraid of cockroaches.
Okay.
They're horrible, horrible creatures. Terrible. I hate them. So number 4, Murad thinks it's true. Murad, which countries do you think that I might have taught in?
England and Thailand. Maybe Malaysia, Indonesia, no?
All right, that's a great guess. What do you think, Kanjana, number 4? Do you think it's true or false?
I think two.
Ah, well, both of you are wrong because I've only taught in 2 countries.
Only 2 countries, okay.
Only 2. One is Thailand, as you know, and the other one is South Korea.
Oh, South Korea.
Oh, South Korea.
Yeah, I was there for 2 years. Yeah.
I remember that last time you told me you used to teach in Malaysia or something like that.
No, I went to visit Malaysia, but I didn't teach there. Murad, you went to Malaysia recently, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so the first one, what about number 1? I've been in Bangkok for... Right. Do you know how many years I've been here?
About 12.
It's actually 7. I have been here for 7, but I've been in Thailand for about 20. So I've been in different provinces. So one of them would be Chiang Rai. I was there for 8 years. I lived in Lampang for a while. I lived in Nonthaburi for a little while, and Bangkok. Number 5.
Number 5.
I don't know. I don't see the background of your.
Khao San Road is very popular place.
You can't see the background. That's a good one.
Where the tourists.
Yes, Khao San Road in Thonburi area. What do you think, Kanjana?
I don't think so, because you told me you live in Lat Phao.
Oh, you're very good. Very good. Jatichak area, yeah. Okay, so do you know what we're going to do now? Can you see what's on the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got these 2 tables. I'm going to ask you to type. I'm going to ask you to type 5 sentences, but don't make them all true and don't make them all false. Mix them up, some true, some false, and then we're going to have to guess. Okay, now, I don't know if you've used Google Docs before. I'm going to share the link to your chat box. Now, when you click on the link, it will open. When you type, I can see the changes. Murad can see the changes, and so can Kanjana. Everyone can see the changes, okay? So I'll give you a few minutes to think of some things which are true and some things which are false. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Chat. Great. I've sent it. You can click on it now.
Yeah. Okay.